I always want to tell everyone that when your car did a wheelie, you know the one song that came to me?
What?
Was, I believe I can fly.
Totally not how the song goes.
How does it go, man?
And don't quit your day job, I'm gonna tell you that.
How's it go?
Because that was a horrible,
I know what movie it came
horrible rendition.
It's copyright. I can't copy
He's
them
had
all
a
the
couple
way.
too many already, guys. Sorry for. What's wrong with you today? You're in a mood. Anyways, I'm here for this thing.
I'm in a great mood actually today. You're gonna film? I'm gonna film all the time now.
Yeah, okay. How many followers do you probably have? Like 2.
I got a whopping 6. And they're enjoying the shit out of this video.
I'm sure they are.
They paid.
Okay.
They paid $25 each.
You want to have Instagram off?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.
Instagram off.
Come on, guys. Come on.
You gotta turn your live off, and then when I say go,
you gotta give me a head
when I say go, you're gonna hit live.
All right, whoever is following, you better follow me again.
And then you're gonna come up here, and we're gonna see who gets the most followers.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it.
In one time.
Let's do it.
Instagram. New thing right here. Instagram.
Instagram.
So you ready? No, turn it off. Turn the live off.
Don't let me down, guys.
See, all you gotta do is fight. Let me see. Make sure. See, you're already cheating. You cheaters.
Just go.
Turn it off. Turn it off. You're already cheating. I want to see the screen. Are you locked in?
Locked in.
I'm locked in.
1, 2, 3.
Go. Okay. What do we got? We got an Instagram live. We got.
Oh, I got 2.
Instagram
I got 2 already.
We got an. Oh, 3, bro. Where you at?
I got 3.
Where you at?
I got 4. 5.
7, bro.
Come on.
Anyways, now back to the real reason why we're here, which is no reason at all. I'm really here just to mess around with this thing. We got to get it apart because some guy, I'm not gonna say who, but some guy decided that he wasn't gonna put the header gaskets on. So guess what? We gotta take the whole kit apart, put the header gaskets on so we can get this thing fired up. Probably not today, but another day. How far are you from starting this thing up?
Honestly, bullshit aside, I gotta wire up the trans cooler, remote water pump, the double fuel pumps. That's it. That's all. Wiring.
You're done.
I gotta mount this bad boy right here only.
I don't really like that. I think you
Dude,
should.
it's gonna look so sick with that.
No, look, you're hiding the turbos.
You're insane.
Comment below. You think he should keep the grill like this? I think he should make like a small one, like half the size.
Have you seen your ugly ass car?
Really, I know they like it.
No one likes your car.
All these people on my channel like the car right now.
You're insane. I think you got parts for me.
Definitely.
No. No race car parts.
No race car parts. That was a girl, dude.
That's a guy.
That was a chick.
You want to bet money? That's a guy. I talk to him every day. I ask him the same thing every single day.
Which is what?
You got parts for me. So
we gotta take this thing apart.
No,
I'm about to leave because we need to hurry up. I don't got time to play with you all day. One of the things that's been kind of funny about this build is, I don't know if this was intentional, Andy, but if you look at the rat rod, first of all, I have to say big props on changing the downpipes to go up like the Bullet. You know how I like my downpipes, so.
We're the Bullhorn Butters.
Bullhorn Brothers. I don't know if this was intentional, but the way this pipe goes around into the turbos and stuff.
Dude, he did a great job.
No, it's a superb job, but it looks like a heart.
Looks badass.
It's like not like a fake heart, but like a real, like an aorta.
It's giving.
In fact, I'm gonna place a picture of a heart right here, just to show you guys how much it actually looks like it. Ignore Andy's butt. I don't know why he did that, but we'll zoom in like that. And yeah, there's a big heart right there. But anyways, I was telling everybody how I like that you went downpipes up instead of to the side.
Well, they were supposed to go down, but we're gonna fix that because it's not gonna stay up.
It's not?
No.
Why?
They're supposed to be under. The reason why.
Well, I kind of like them up.
It's not your car, first of all. So the reason why the wastegates are gonna be here.
Okay.
So it's gonna look kind of awkward doing a whole turn to do the same thing.
You don't have to do a whole turn.
Let me finish what I'm trying to say, okay? Go under here, like a real man, underneath, not up, where, look at me, I'm so cool, I got exhaust sticking out of my hood, you know? So it's gonna come to the bottom, and it's gonna do another teardrop, like a man, like that.
start taking this cold side apart?
No. We need to fix something first before we do anything. Every time you come over here, fuck a bunch of shit up.
I came here to work on the engine and the turbo stuff, not anything underneath the car. I don't
need to tap something before we.
I am not in the mood to get underneath this car, ever, to be precise. So one of the cool things about this truck that I like is that when people see it from the outside, they're like, oh man, look at, it looks cool. Look at this rat rod, but they think it's like a real rat rod. But this is a drag car in disguise as a rat rod.
It is.
Can you show the people what you got going on here?
All right, so remote water pump, leveled, feeds dual 12 AN feed lines all the way to the front, to the block.
Okay.
Then we have a return of 12, that you see here.
Okay.
Then Y's into a 1, which is Motion Raceworks, hooked it up, love it. Made my life super easy, just wiring it into 1. Got a custom radiator from, what was it? Griffin or what?
I think it's a Griffin radiator.
Griffin radiator.
Then of course we upgraded your fuel system. You have 242 Magna Fuel 4303 750s.
Yep.
One's gonna stay on all the time when the car's running, and the other one comes on under boost. Remounted the transmission cooler, huh?
Yes, we got a remote trans cooler with an actual fan.
Willwood brakes all the way around. You got a, what is it, parallel 4 link or something?
I got a parallel 4 link.
Parallel 4 link, coilovers from QA1, the fuel system, transmission cooler system, radiator relocation. I mean, it's a drag car in disguise as a rusty bucket. The frame even, it's not like the frame is all rusty bucket stuff either.
It's all 100% done right.
Yeah. Can you say that again without cussing?
I said you leave all my tools everywhere. Where is my 3/8 wrench?
You know what the funny thing is? He's complaining that I leave his tools everywhere, but I have yet to touch a tool today, and he can't find nothing. So what does that tell you?
No, you lose all my stuff.
I haven't even touched anything today.
The last time you dumped my toolbox out, I haven't found my sockets because of you. Who was the guy that tuned your car before you hit the wall? Because I want to send him an edible arrangement. I want to know who's the one that tuned your car.
My boy Solomon.
Solomon, he must have drank like 30 Johnny Walkers before he actually worked on your car, because that car was on a mission.
Hey boy.
What's up?
What you doing?
Solomon.
You're on YouTube, by the way.
Solomon.
Say hi to the YouTube people.
Solomon, what's your real name, Solomon?
My real name is
Epifanio.
Solomon.
This is,
Solomon.
It's on. You're talking to Andy, by the way.
Yeah, Andy.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
So he had a.
No, shut up. Let me talk.
Damn it.
What up?
So, did you have, I would say, maybe 30 Johnny Walkers at Texas 2K?
He wants to know if you had something to drink before you tuned my car at Texas 2K.
Did I have something to drink? Not really. A Coke, probably.
My type of dude right there. He just tunes.
Nothing. You didn't have. You didn't have anything spicy to eat or drink before you tuned my car during Texas 2K?
Nope.
Because you put a lot of power into the bullet.
Because you put some heat in there. That's what we're wondering.
There was the thing is that the Kirky seat, the fabric was like pinched up like this. And the only thing I could come up, if you really draw this, is like one cheek here and another cheek here. So what happened? Juan swallowed the fabric.
Dude, it didn't even have a lot of power. That's what I'm telling you. It's not even a lot.
You know what's up?
It wasn't even a spicy tune.
It was a spicy tune.
The tune that he put on my car. If you go to Taco Bell and you get the mild sauce, that's what he put.
It's
That's the mild.
Crunchwrap Supreme one.
They're still hot.
You give me the Doritos Diablo
The
sauce.
Diablo sauce.
You give me the Dorito taco sauce.
He wants the Diablo sauce tune.
No. I don't want that.
Juan, just stay in it.
I did what you said.
Punch
No,
it.
you did not.
Yes,
You
I-
told me, you were like, hey, I upped the, what did you say? You upped the ramp rate. I was like, oh, Jesus.
No, I'm
More power to come in earlier. Okay. Okay. That's on you.
but you told me to stay in it, and that's what I did, and look what happened.
Yeah. Did I tell you to ramp it in faster?
0.3 seconds, man.
Hey, it makes a difference, I'm telling you.
it is what it is. And then obviously what happened the next day happened the next day. So that's it for now. I didn't even do any work. I'm about to go because Andy's just taking too long doing, I don't know what he's doing over there. He's just hanging around. But top of that, we're trying to get this thing running. It's got to come over to my house so I can get it wired, so we can get it started and go from there. So we got a lot of work ahead of us. We're still trying to meet that OKC date, Streetcar Takeover OKC in like May, but it's looking really rough. I don't want to go all the way up there untested on a new setup, especially with this thing, so we'll just have to play it by ear and see what happens with that. But that's it for now.
Let's get to work.